If a fire just hit your home, the insurance question is probably right behind the panic. Here is the short answer and what actually decides your payout. Most standard homeowners policies list fire as a named peril right alongside wind and hail. Fire damage is covered by default. You do not have to add it on. Your dwelling coverage pays to repair the structure itself. Walls, roof, flooring, and the frame of the house all fall under that part of the policy. Personal property coverage handles what was inside. Furniture, electronics, and smoke-damaged clothing usually qualify, up to your policy limit. If the house is not livable, additional living expenses coverage can pay for a hotel or a short-term rental while repairs happen. Coverage is not automatic in every case. An intentionally set fire or a home left vacant for months without notifying the insurer are common reasons a claim gets denied. Photograph the damage room by room before anything gets moved or cleaned. That documentation backs up your claim when the adjuster shows up. Once the claim is moving, you still need the smoke and fire damage cleaned up right. Call Water Damage Restoration Dallas at 469-804-9910.